a young entrepreneur, a dynamic personality, very supportive boss, and a great mentor. Too many adjectives and very short time. You guessed it right. I'm speaking about our very own Mr. Fazil Muhammad bin Bashir. He has founded Aimful International back in 2005. 15 years of successful journey. We are known as Aimful International Association with National Skills Development Council of India, under which we have recognized various sectors, namely Aerospace Aviation Sector Skill Council, Tourism and Hospitality Sector Skill Council, Beauty and Wellness Sector Skill Council. Namaste, this is Nargis Amusikar, Zonal Director, West Region of Aimful International, signing from Mumbai. Wishing you all a very happy new year. Welcome to 2021. Sky so high, you don't know how to fly. Aimful is here to make you fly.
Happy New Year!
Aimful International.
Happy New Year! Bye! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year! From Aimful International and Mumbai. Have a fabulous New Year!
Happy New Year, Aimful International. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Please more, say something more. How happy are you?
I'm filled with lots of joy, happiness, happy to be an Amphibian.
मैं मॉकलेट में चला रहा हूँ।
Good evening. I am honored and humbled that my colleagues have asked me to speak today. I would like to take a moment and thank a group of people I simply feel I have never thanked enough. Thank you. We love you.
I would like to thank Aimful International and Mr. Fazil Muhammad for inspiring me and made me believe in my dreams. Happy New Year, Aimful International.
The very young entrepreneur I have ever come across is Mr. Fazil Muhammad Bashir. I'm very much honored with such a great personality we are working with. I'm really very much privileged.
So where are you today?
I am in Aimful International, Mumbai, with the A20 mock flight. I'm inside that.
Okay, what are we doing today?
We are celebrating the new year, and it's gonna be 2021 tomorrow. Just not tomorrow. It's a couple of minutes and hours, I could say.
Could you welcome us, please?
Yeah, I'm welcoming all of you to, from my heart, to the world of progress of 2021. Welcome to Aimful International Flight 2021. This is Fazil Muhammad bin Bashir and your captain on board. I am gonna take you through a fantastic flying experience. Just forget about all the struggles or turbulence what you had of 2020, and this is gonna be an amazing flying experience you ever had it before to your destination, and your destination I could say is your career and your life. And I could really appreciate all the people of DGIT family, Aimful, UFly, and all other brands, my co-workers, my employees, and my subordinates, my well-wishers, and not limited to NSDC, AASSC, Aviation Sector Skill Council, THSC, and even DDUGKY, the Ministry of Rural Development and the Ministry of Skill Development. All my grateful gratitude, and wishing you Happy New Year 2021.
Happy New Year, everyone, and wishing you the year ahead with lot of joy, peace, prosperity. All working together really hard to achieve our goals is the ultimate mission we are over here. So let's put ourselves in that shoes and let's make each other step ahead for the success, I would say.
I'm in the 330 cabin of AIMFIL. So we are all ready to take off, and we are going to, within like few hours, we are going to land into 2021. And the entire team and CEO and everyone, we are very, very excited to welcome 2021. AIMFIL is a mission-driven organization. That is the reason they are associated with NSDC and National Skill Development Corporation, and that is the sole reason they are associated with them, so that they can empower underprivileged children. I feel there are very few companies who are so generous, and they are trying to help out the underprivileged youth. So that's, I think it's just commendable.
So are you aware that we are one of the few institute who have this, there are only very few institute who have this?
Yes, absolutely, and there are, I am not aware of any institute which offers absolutely free course to underprivileged children. I have never heard of any company, but with NSDC and few other government organizations, we are able to help and support so many underprivileged children. So I feel I'm really privileged to being associated with this organization. I'm very sure that most of our students are going to make it, and they are going to fly.
Sky so high, don't know how to fly.